Hi everyone, welcome back. Now today market is so hot, everything is selling fast. But selling well is another thing. Now we all know in real estate, there's three factors very important: pricing, people, and presentation. So today let's find out how the good presentation can help you to get the best price for your property. Let's check it out. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment in West Perth sold to a cash buyer, being only 5 days on the market. At the ground launch, we welcomed 18 group people and we got multiple offers presented. For a record price, happy seller. Well, now you can see how important the good presentation is. So the next step is very easy. Choose the right people and get the best price for you. Selling well with Realestate 88, I'm Terry Lu. See you next time.